In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Game Overlay in EA App. If you want to control the in-game overlay feature in the EA app, you're in the right place. Whether you'd like to keep the overlay enabled for quick access to social features or disable it to reduce distractions while gaming, the process only takes a few moments. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can easily change the setting whenever you need to. To get started, make sure the EA app is available on your computer and that you're signed in to your EA account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the main screen of the application. From there, look for your profile icon near the top of the window. Click on it to open the account menu, then select Settings to access the app's configuration options. After the Settings page opens, navigate to the Application section. This area contains several options that control how the EA app behaves while you're using it. Scroll down until you find the setting labeled In-Game Overlay. This is the option that determines whether the overlay is active while you're playing supported EA games. If the toggle is enabled, the in-game overlay is currently turned on. You can leave it enabled if you want to receive game invites, EA friend requests, chat messages, and access certain in-game features while you're playing. If you decide to disable it, simply switch the toggle off. Before confirming the change, keep in mind that turning off the in-game overlay also disables several features associated with it. While the overlay is disabled, you won't receive game invites, EA friend requests, or chat messages during gameplay. In addition, certain in-game purchasing features may no longer be available until the overlay is enabled again. If those features are important to you, you may prefer to leave the setting turned on. Another useful feature to remember is the built-in keyboard shortcut. If the in-game overlay is enabled, you can quickly open it while playing by pressing Shift and F1 on your keyboard. This allows you to access supported overlay functions without leaving your game. The great thing about this setting is that it isn't permanent. You can return to the same settings page at any time and switch the in-game overlay on or off whenever your preferences change. Whether you prioritize uninterrupted gameplay or quick access to social and in-game features, the choice is entirely up to you. That's all there is to enabling or disabling the game overlay in the EA app. It's a simple setting that can be adjusted in just a few clicks whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,